If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off.
Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here, and welcome back to Mental Dental. In this Dental Mythbusters series, I'll be taking a common dental belief, putting it under the microscope, and asking one question. Is it fact, fiction, or somewhere in between? And I'll use evidence to support or deny the claim so you know as a patient, student, or doctor what the truth really is. So today's myth is, do charcoal dental products actually work? Or is this just another dental trend that looks cool on Instagram? Let's find out. So there's charcoal toothpaste, there's charcoal powders, charcoal floss, charcoal toothbrushes. These products are everywhere, especially online, and they're often marketed as a more natural way to keep your teeth clean, white, and also being free from any harmful ingredients. So today we're putting these charcoal dental products to the test. Do they work, and are they safe? The verdict: mostly busted, and use them with caution. So let's talk about why. Charcoal toothpaste is sometimes called black toothpaste, and it's usually made with activated charcoal. Charcoal is a black, solid form of carbon that comes from heating organic materials. Activated charcoal is made by heating charcoal in a way that opens up these tiny pores in the material. Those pores can trap certain chemicals. That's why activated charcoal actually has some real medical use. For example, in certain poisoning situations, activated charcoal can be used to bind the toxins in the gastrointestinal tract and reduce absorption of the poison, which could literally save someone's life, which is pretty cool. But here's the key point. Just because activated charcoal can bind certain substances in the stomach doesn't mean it magically detoxes your mouth. Plaque is removed by brushing and flossing. Cavities are prevented by controlling bacteria and sugar and oral hygiene. So the charcoal story sounds nice, it sounds scientific, but we still have to ask, does this actually help your teeth? So I'm going to talk about 3 things that will shed light on this question. Does it clean your teeth better? Does it help with bad breath? And does it whiten your teeth? So first, does charcoal clean your teeth better? Supporters of charcoal toothpaste say that it acts like a magnet, pulling the stains, bacteria, plaque, and even tartar off the teeth. But that's a little bit misleading because toothpaste can help remove plaque and food debris while you brush, but that's mostly from the mechanical action of brushing. Regular toothpaste can also do that just fine. And tartar or calculus is different. Tartar is hardened, calcified plaque. You cannot pull tartar off teeth using a special toothpaste. Once plaque calcifies, that usually requires a professional scaling at a dental office. So yes, charcoal toothpaste might help your mouth feel cleaner. It can help remove some surface debris. And because it turns your mouth black, some people may even brush longer just to get all of that black color off their teeth and their gums. But that certainly doesn't mean charcoal is dramatically cleaning better than a normal toothpaste. Again, it has much more to do with the mechanical action of brushing. Second, does charcoal help with bad breath? Well, some products will claim that charcoal helps freshen your breath by binding those toxins or reducing the bacterial load, but there's no strong evidence to support that. We know bad breath is related to bacteria, plaque, coating on your tongue, dry mouth, periodontal disease, cavities, diet, smoking, or even underlying medical issues like diabetes. So if brushing with charcoal makes someone brush more carefully, it makes them clean their tongue more thoroughly and pay closer attention to their oral hygiene just because they like it, well, yeah, that might make your breath improve, but that doesn't prove the charcoal itself is doing something special. For chronic bad breath, I would rather find the cause than mask it with some trendy dental product. And third, does charcoal whiten your teeth? This is probably the biggest claim out there because charcoal toothpaste is often advertised as a whitening product. And here's the thing, charcoal can definitely remove some surface stains from things like coffee, tea, red wine, tobacco, and dark colored foods and drinks. Those stains will sit on the outer enamel surface, and charcoal can definitely help clean those off. That's absolutely true. But true tooth whitening is different. Charcoal toothpaste definitely doesn't bleach the inside of your tooth at all. If it's been discolored by trauma or even during tooth development, that charcoal is not going to do anything. It doesn't even penetrate the enamel rods like a peroxide-based whitening treatment does. So if your teeth look a little bit brighter after using charcoal, it's probably because it just removed that surface stain and abraded the plaque away. And that leads to our main concern of charcoal dental products. If the product is abrasive enough to scrub that stain away fairly easily, it might also be abrasive enough to wear down your enamel over time. And that's exactly what we see with chronic charcoal use. And remember, enamel does not grow back. And as that enamel gets thinner, teeth can actually look more yellow because the underlying dentin layer, which is yellow, is going to show through more the thinner the enamel becomes. So ironically, a product that's marketed to make teeth whiter could actually make them look more yellow in the long run because of how abrasive it can be. So we've established charcoal toothpaste is really not any more effective than regular toothpaste, but if you still wanted to use it, is it safe to use? Well, the concerns are pretty straightforward. Like we talked about, charcoal toothpaste is abrasive, like sandpaper on your teeth. Daily use can irritate sensitive gum tissue and contribute to enamel wear over time, which can increase your tooth sensitivity, cavity risk, and those charcoal particles can even collect in the cracks and margins around dental restorations. Not to mention the abrasive particles can also scratch and stain those restorations like fillings, veneers, and crowns. And many charcoal toothpastes don't contain fluoride, which, as we talked about previously in this series, matters a lot because fluoride is one of the most proven ingredients we have for cavity prevention. So will charcoal toothpaste destroy someone's teeth if it's used every once in a while? No, of course not. But daily aggressive use over a long period of time, especially if it replaces a normal fluoridated toothpaste, is absolutely a concern. What I tell patients is if your goal is to have fewer cavities, use fluoride toothpaste. If your goal is fresher breath, improve your brushing, flossing, make sure you clean your tongue, hydrate properly, and check for any underlying diseases that might be contributing to that bad breath. If your goal is whiter teeth, then ask your dentist about whitening options that actually have evidence like peroxide-based products. Now, charcoal toothpaste is not the only charcoal dental product out there. Charcoal floss is another dental product, and it's a little bit different. So how floss works is it mechanically disrupts the plaque between your teeth. So if someone likes charcoal floss and it motivates them to floss every day because they like the taste or the feel, that's probably the biggest benefit right there. But again, the charcoal isn't doing anything magical. The benefit is the physical act of flossing. So if someone likes a certain product, then encourage it because they're going to floss more likely and more often. It's the same thing with charcoal toothbrushes. What matters most is that the toothbrush is soft, it's used correctly, and reaches the right areas. The charcoal-infused bristles are not the star of the show. Your brushing technique is. And with any other charcoal dental product, you have to once again consider the concerns about tooth abrasion. So the final verdict for do charcoal dental products actually work is sort of, but not any better than any other dental product, and they have the drawback of abrasion. Charcoal toothpaste and other products can remove some surface stain, but they don't actually bleach your teeth, they don't detox your mouth, They don't make your breath smell any better, and with daily or aggressive use, they can increase the risk of enamel wear, sensitivity, and staining around previous dental work. So, before jumping on every new dental trend, remember this: newer does not always mean better. Sometimes the safest choice is to stick with what we know works. If you enjoyed this episode of Dental Mythbusters, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments what myth you want me to cover next. Thanks again for watching, take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.